This video will quickly summarize the use of stock images in Google Docs. Google now provides images for your use, much in the manner that, say, Microsoft does in providing users clip art in Microsoft Word. So I have a new Google Doc open here, and in order to locate the stock images, I must use the Insert tab, and I'm going to select here where it says Image. Once the Insert Image display is open, I am now going to use the Search feature. Selecting Search reveals several options. You can use the Google Search feature to locate images provided online that are available for commercial reuse with modification. You can use images provided by Life, and you can also access the Google stock images. When you select one of these options, you can always know which you're using because it will kind of show up here as a label. You then enter the term you believe may help you find the image you're interested in. And in this case, because I'm using the Google search feature and I'm looking for images that are available for commercial reuse with modification, I should really indicate where I found this image in the resource I prepare, and I can locate that information down here. When I want to use the Google stock images, I select stock images. The label will appear here, and then I enter the term that will allow me to search for images. Images that fit that search term will appear, and I select the one I would like to use. The image selected then appears in my Google Doc. I then resize this image and I'm done. So this has been a brief description of how to take advantage of the stock images provided by Google and insert these images in the documents I might prepare.